Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make some gulab jamun. First take 7 bread. Now separate the edges. Separate all the sides from the bread. Store the separated sides in case you need them. Take mixing bowl. Now add the bread in the bowl. Add 1/3 cup of milk powder and 1/3 cup of milk. Add 2 pinch of baking powder. Knead it until it is a soft dough. If it doesn't become a soft dough, then you should add another tablespoon of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now our soft mixture is ready. We didn't make it a circle dough shape, you can make it if you want. Take some portion of the mixture and make any shape you want. I don't know what to say here, so you can see and follow it. We are going to do one by one same process to all of them. Now all the gulab jamuns are ready. Now let's fry them. Now add one by one gulab jamun in little warm oil. Always fry in low flame. Now let's stir them little by little until they are golden brown color. If you make it on high flame, then it would be like the outside will be very burned and the inside will be raw. So we should stir them slowly, and the minimum minutes is 8 minutes, and these are the main tips for this recipe. Continuously flip and fry until it is golden brown color. If you do 1 point more than low flame, then you should think that your gulab jamun is ruined. It's now fried well. Now take out from hot oil and drop them on a plate and wait for them to cool down. If you want to do a very light color, you can do. We want it to be dark color because we like our gulab jamun to be dark. Add 1 cup sugar, 2 green cardamom and 1½ cup of water. Add pinch of saffron. Now boil it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add fried gulab jamun and it's 80% cool. Now cover it and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid and turn off the flame and wait for cool down. Then refrigerate it for 2 hours if it is possible. After an overnight, we kept in the refrigerator for overnight. Now it's ready to serve. My mother is gonna cut it in half so you can see the inside how it looks. It was very tasty and yummy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.